Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix Roblox error code 524 that you do not have permission to join this experience. So first of all, open your Roblox and log into your account, and then click on the settings icon at the very top right corner, and then click on the settings option. And after this you will find SS type of the interface. Now just click on the privacy option here, and you have to make a couple of the settings in this privacy, and then scroll down. You will find here an option of other settings. You have to just turn all of the three questions to everyone. The first one is who can make me a member of their private server. You have to just answer this everyone. And the second question is that who can join me in experience, also turn it to the everyone. And who can see my inventory, then you have to just turn it to the everyone. After doing so, your error will be fixed, and when you go into the server and try and join, you will be successfully logged into your server. For more information you can visit my website, whose link I have shared in my description. So that's all for this video. Give this video thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.